In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to n8n. If you're looking to streamline how you manage your files and folders between OneDrive and your workflows in n8n, this guide is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly integrate these two powerful tools, making your data management much more efficient. Let's dive right into it. First, begin by opening your workflow in n8n. If you're already familiar with n8n, you'll know that it's a flexible and easy-to-use automation tool that helps you automate tasks and integrate different services. With your workflow open, your next step is going to be adding what we call a node. Nodes are the essential building blocks of workflows, acting like individual tasks or steps within your automation process. Now navigate to the Add Node button. This is typically found either on the side panel or somewhere easily accessible within the interface, allowing for seamless integration of new functionalities. When you click on it, a search bar will pop up, offering a multitude of options. Here you'll want to enter Microsoft OneDrive into the search field. Doing so will filter your results, making it quick and easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you see the OneDrive node appear in the list of options, simply click to add it to your workflow. This OneDrive node within n8n is a versatile tool that facilitates a wide range of operations with your OneDrive data. Let's go over some of these capabilities to give you a broader understanding. With the OneDrive node, you can perform key operations on your files and folders. For instance, uploading and downloading files is a straightforward process once the node is set up. Perhaps you need to organize your files better. You can use the node to copy, delete, rename, or even search for files within your OneDrive. Each of these operations can be set up to trigger automatically based on conditions you specify in your workflow, taking busy work off your plate. You'll also have the ability to share files directly from your workflow, making it quick and easy to collaborate with others without leaving n8n. Creating folders and retrieving folder contents are additional features that enhance your data management by maintaining structure and order within your OneDrive. As you configure your OneDrive node, experiment with these various operations to see how they can best fit your needs. Remember, the beauty of n8n lies in its flexibility, which means you can tailor every node to help achieve your specific tasks more efficiently. By following these steps, you have now connected OneDrive to n8n, and you're ready to start automating your file management tasks directly within your workflow. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy automating!